Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Fiesta Keyfob. In this video I'll show you how to access the battery. In the beginning, prepare tiny screwdriver like this, and now pop the manual key out. Place your screwdriver here, and now push the key fob like this. Now you can remove it, and now prepare something bigger than the screwdriver, or use the manual key fob. Place it here and open it. The battery is located here. To remove it, use flat screwdriver to lift the battery from its place. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.